Data quality is often seen as an IT responsibility, but in reality, data quality is just as much a finance responsibility. Finance professionals work closest to the data. They understand where it comes from, how it's used, and what it actually means for the business. IT teams manage systems. Finance teams understand the numbers. That's why finance plays a critical role in data preparation and data hygiene. When finance teams take ownership of data quality, several things happen. Automation becomes more reliable because clean data reduces errors and exceptions. Rework is reduced, saving time that would otherwise be spent fixing issues downstream. Trust in AI-generated insights increases because stakeholders have confidence in the underlying data. And over time, stronger data foundations enable more advanced analytics and smarter decision-making. Strong data fundamentals are not a nice-to-have. They are the foundation of every successful AI and automation initiative in finance. Module summary. Let's take a moment to summarize what you've learned in this module. You learned that data is the fuel that powers AI and automation. You saw how poor data quality leads directly to poor outcomes, regardless of how advanced the technology is. You explored data hygiene best practices that ensure accuracy, consistency, and usability. You identified the many structured and unstructured data sources used in finance, including ERP systems, spreadsheets, emails, and PDFs. And you practiced simple but powerful Excel tools that can dramatically improve data quality. With clean, reliable data, finance teams are far better positioned to unlock the full value of AI and automation. In the next modules, we'll build on this foundation and explore how these tools can be applied to real finance workflows.